There are moments when my mind feels like a battlefield, two opposing thoughts pulling me in different directions. I want to move forward, but I'm stuck in hesitation. That's mental conflict, and it's more common than we admit. The first thing I've learned is I have to slow down. Not everything needs an immediate answer. Taking a breath, literally and mentally, helps me stop reacting and start observing. That space between the thought and the reaction is where I find clarity. Next, I ask myself, what am I really afraid of? Behind most internal conflict is fear. Fear of failure, of judgment, of loss. But naming it takes away its power. Suddenly, I'm not just overwhelmed. I'm working with something I understand. Sometimes I write things down. When thoughts live only in my head, they echo and clash. But on paper, they become clearer. I see patterns. I see which thoughts are loud but not necessarily true. That's when I begin to challenge them. Is this thought helping me or holding me back? I've also learned to listen with compassion to myself. I used to beat myself up for not knowing what to do. But now I try to treat myself like I'd treat a friend. I remind myself, I'm doing the best I can with what I know right now. And when I feel really stuck, I zoom out. I ask, will this matter in a year? Is this aligned with my values or just my fears talking? That higher perspective helps me realign with what truly matters. Mental conflict isn't a sign of weakness. It's a signal, a call to pause, reflect, and grow. I've started to see it not as a problem to fix, but as a process to move through with patience and with trust in myself. So when the noise in my head gets loud, I remind myself I don't need all the answers right away. I just need the courage to take the next honest step.